What's up, my boys? Welcome to this beautiful morning from the Belmont Reed Palace.
Today we are making a video of this iconic hotel that we've been dying to stay at. I mean, this is probably the most absurd breakfast table of all time. And sitting here, looking out, it's gonna be a good day.
Jeg føler, jeg er sådan en britisk dronning.
Men eller Churchills lover.
We are gonna take you on a little tour of the hotel, just to talk a little bit about the history of this place. Oh yeah, guys, we have our favorite little guest star to the show today, because dogs are allowed in this hotel.
So this hotel is almost 130 years old. And when you look at all of the old posters here, you get a good idea of just how much history it has. I mean, people, they have taken the boats all the way from America. Before there were an airport here, people, they would come in with the boat, and then they would go from the big boat to the small boat, and then they would have to go up the stairs.
You couldn't go by elevator, because the elevator of the premise was only here in 1920.
So most people, they know this hotel for mainly one reason, that Winston Churchill came here. You know, he was back then, I believe around the Second World War, one of the biggest names around the planet. He was on the cover of all the newspapers on a daily basis. So Churchill has definitely given this hotel this magical image, you know.
The historical touch.
You know, walking around in the same classy environment as he did back in the day. You can almost, you know, imagine the conversations he had with important world leaders. He also liked champagne a lot. He said that the two best things in life was champagne and hot showers.
So what very few people actually know about the Churchill thing is that he was invited here, and they invited him to come after the hotel was shut down due to World War II. So when he actually arrived, they were not even prepared to open up again. So they had to go to all the British families on the island and ask for another chair and another bed, and they rented a car from a family. So when he arrived, even though it was supposed to be a secret little thing that he came, the entire island knew about it. And they were greeting him like he was the biggest celebrity on the planet, which he probably were back then.
I actually thought that he came here every year, but it was only one time he was here. So imagine the impression this man could do by just coming here one time. 3 weeks he spent here. Very charismatic man, I guess.
So back in the days when they arrived by the big ships from the States or from around the world, they would go straight to the big harbor over here. But then the hotel, they would go with smaller boats and get them from the big ship, and they would sail them right here and leave their luggage there, and then they will be brought up in hammocks all the way up to their room on top of the cliff.
Today you have an elevator, so they don't need to put you in a hammock. This serves a much better purpose today as a sea pool, because I think, have we had a more perfect setup in terms of being at the beach? No sand, I hate sand, so this is just wonderful.
Yeah.
And I think we should go take a little dip. Is it cold?
So nice.
Is it nice?
It's not even cold.
Really? I feel like Bradley Cooper in Limitless.
And then I began to form an idea.
This pool is 23 meters long, and the architect, he actually thought that it was meters, but the reality is that it was feet. So it should have been 3 times smaller, and that's why it's 3 times bigger than the other one. But I think the size here is pretty good. I mean, if it was as small as the other one, what would you do with all the surrounding space? Hi, Lara.
Okay guys, let's talk about Sagres Vacations. They are the ones making all these wonderful experiences come true.
Sagres Vacations offer 100% customized trips around Portugal, whether you want to go to Alentejo, Douro, Madeira, or basically anywhere you want.
So far we have had some of the best experiences with Sagres Vacations.
And that says a lot because we have been traveling Portugal non-stop since August 2018.
With Sagres Vacations you get your own private guides who will take you around in style.
In our opinion, it really is the best way to explore Portugal because you get all the right food, go all the right places, and get all the right knowledge.
If you send our friend Patricia an email, she'll help you plan your dream trip.
And if you mention Stay Classy, you get 10% off your entire trip. Amalie.
I mean,
First of
I
all,
feel
cheer.
like the most lucky person on this planet, so cheers to that.
Oh my god. This is like, even Lara, she's like, she took a Xanax. This is, I think the most beautiful picnic I've ever seen. It's simple, but it's elegant, and the whole surroundings here are just, you know.
I love that you say this picnic is simple.
No, I mean, it's simple in the sense that we're just on a blanket with some pillows.
It's not like...
I mean, the food looks unbelievable.
Yeah.
This is not simple because we once took a course making these.
Oh, I remember that.
Tryk op i toppen, så du hele tiden har...
flot den her den bliver.
This is like if you were a man that wants to propose to a woman, this is where you should do
Amalie,
it.
I don't want those hints.
It's not a hint to you, come on. I mean, people who are
Okay, people who are people who are in love
people who really wants to get married.
with each other.
This is where you should do it.
We don't have just one bottle of champagne. We have a bottle of white wine. We have a bottle of red wine. Espadao. I love Espadao.
Let's go.
Jeg tror helt seriøst, uden at overdrive, så vil jeg tro, at det her det er det bedste hotel, jeg nogensinde har været på. Jeg ved ikke med dig.
Det tror jeg egentlig også, det er.
Det jeg godt kan lide ved sådan et hotel her, det er, at du har så mange forskellige universer, ikke? Så ligger du nede ved rockpoolen og chiller, og så pludselig ligger du op på den store pool, hvor der er opvarmet vand.
Ja,
Så sidder du og får afternoon tea på terrassen, morgenmad på din egen balkon, ikke?
Da vi sad og spiste morgenmad i morges op på balkonen, ikke, der tænkte jeg, lige om lidt så løber James Bond forbi efter en røver nede på, nede på græsplænen.
Hvis ikke man selv var James Bond.
Ja, altså det er totalt James Bond setting, du ved, de helt gode gamle James Bond.
Ja. Altså vil jeg bare sige, settingen her i Funchal, altså jeg er overrasket over, at Funchal er så en hysterisk smuk by. I'm not trying to get you drunk, but that's a very fine Chardonnay that you're not drinking.
I am gonna drink it, okay?
Do you know the reference?
Yeah, American Psycho.
I don't want you to get drunk, but that's a very fine Chardonnay you're not drinking.
Amalie, wake up. We haven't done the house tour.
Oh, that's true. We haven't done the house tour.
What are we gonna do with the house tour? The sun is setting.
Hey, we have this really cool commercial of the room. We can show that.
Do you mean the commercial?
Yeah.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Has your wife been dissatisfied with you lately? Do you want to make it up to her? Perfect. Treat her with a getaway at the Belmont Reed's Palace. At the Belmont Reed's Palace, we have wonderful suites that will satisfy even the most hard-to-please wife. Enjoy a cup of tea in the comfort of your own private living room. Let your wife enjoy a drink of choice while soaking in the splendiferous bathtub while you take care of important business. Share a romantic champagne moment on the balcony overlooking the gardens where Winston Churchill once marveled at the sea. Spoil your furry little friend with exquisite gourmet. Take advantage of our high-tech entertainment system or fine dine in the comfort of your own suite. Tell me, is she satisfied with you now?
But, Amalie, what was best? The picnic here? Or the afternoon tea?
I must say, guys, that this high tea is some of the best I've had. It makes you feel like a real Queen Elizabeth. Got the champagne, the tea, all the good stuff. Do you feel like Queen Elizabeth, Joen?
Probably more like Churchill, because I just had a warm bath and now a glass of champagne.
I think it's a draw.
I'm calling to order some food from the Dog Delights menu. The one with rice and chicken and vegetables.
Remember to rate it 5 on TripAdvisor.
So here they have made it possible for your pet to have food. They have the entire menu where you can select from. But even more hilarious is that they have this spa menu thing. So you can select the category for mind and body balance. And then you can select if your dog needs an individual behavior support consultation, personal fitness session. So tomorrow, Lara, she will be hitting the gym because she has a personal fitness session.
It's Eddie Murphy.
Blow your face clean off your face.
Look, Shrek, I'm a donkey, Shrek.
I'm a donkey. I'm a donkey, Shrek.
To be honest, I think everything we have explored today says it all. So now, guys, it's time for us to get our last sleep in these beautiful silk duvets. Because tomorrow we are continuing our Sagres Vacation program. We have a lot of cool things lined up. Bye-bye, Lara. Are you going to bed now?
Before going to bed, I will do just like Churchill did. Have a glass of champagne and a long hot shower. Muito obrigado por ver o vídeo.
Até logo. Ciao.
Can I get you a spot of tea?
That would be lovely.
Mr. Churchill, meet Victoria.